Where are we going? Doon sa Gecko.
Good morning! Good morning, guys! Kain kami breakfast, guys. Dito kami sa the farm.
Okay.
Nag-overnight kami, guys. Sleepy pa ang baby namin. Oh, may piso. Piso. Wala tuloy.
Kahapon nag-celebrate kami ng aming 31st wedding anniversary. Tapos nagkuha kami ng room. So ngayon may free breakfast i-avail namin bago kami mag-out. Kasi a-attend din tayo ng party maya-maya. Gems 88 reunion. So you know the way, Gab? Dito kayo nagdaan kahapon? So makita natin garden by the pool, then Gecko Bar, then Aqua Pavilion. Kahapon sa Aqua Pavilion kami, di ba, Gab, na? We had a party, we have our 31st wedding anniversary ni Mamita pati ni Tatay.
No, where's the balloons here? Stop the balloon.
Oh, we're not going to get a balloon. It's not ours.
Guys, good morning. Good morning. Punta kami sa nating bakos, mga barkada ko. Yan. Hi!
No.
No, dito daw magligo, sabi ni Baby Gab. Dito kayo nagdaan kahapon, Gab?
Ay, dito nagdaan sila.
Yeah. With Daddy Kim,
Yung kapo, no? Baga,
Tito Leklek, Tito Eyel, and Tito Bonsai.
Alingayo. Ay, di ba ang program? Hindi na lang sa mga grupo sa din kaunan ka?
Sa gilid.
Yes, swimming pool guys sa the farm. Pool. Picture tayo dyan tayo.
Ah,
Yan o sa taas. Hindi na ako bala mag-vlog dito.
may isang guest tayo dito na katulog na.
That's the shower time.
Yeah. Ayun lang, may pang
Malabo.
morning.
Breakfast and
Patay, upuan muna.
Bakal si Daddy gagol.
doon lang tayo magligo sa ano ano tayo ng liguan na. Busy pa kasi bukas magdabaw kami.
go. Go. You can do it.
What happened?
Yeah.
Horse is broken.
So hard.
Exercise yung pa ako.
Oh, Mamita will ride also.
Ay,
Wait lang.
thanks for helping me.
Ang tigas.
Dalawa ba nakikita?
Look at my car here. My car is playing.
Yeah.
Ah, sige.
Okay, go. Hurry up. Up. Ano yung dog?
Look at this one for me.
Oh, put your kwan sa pedal.
Sobrang ito, guys. Okay, pag ang tuhod, guys.
I'm trying.
Masarap maging bata.
I'm pushing. Yeah.
I need to climb the ladder.
Can you do it?
I can.
Can you do it?
One.
See, what's your steps? Yeah.
There you go. You can
Yeah.
do it. Enjoy. Come here. Come. Go, Gab.
What's this?
Dito, dito.
Not here, here. Oh, hindi mauna ang ulo. No, baliktad. Una ang paa.
Wow, this is so small.
Oo. Yan. Slowly lang.
Small ba yan?
Oh no.
Small.
Okay, that's enough.
Ooh.
Not there.
Why?
You're not going up. You're supposed to go down. Oh. That's enough. Hindi siya masyado slippery. Hindi siya maka-slide masyado.
This is the happy anniversary here.
Yeah.
Mamita, look.
Saan yung mangga tayo sa ano ko no?
Oh, andun.
Mamita, look. Look, oh,
It's a
everybody.
bamboo. This is a Chinese bamboo.
Yeah, but look. Some trash should not be here.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
This is soda can.
You tell the cleaner. You tell the cleaner.
The cleaner.
You cannot ask. You can.
You wanna ask.
Morning.
Wala pa rin siligan.
That's called Chinese Waldies.
Yeah. Chinese bamboo. Chinese bamboo.
The walis daw is called Chinese walis.
They should clean up here before that.
Enjoy sila. Ngayon din tayo kahapon.
They love
Do you have a place?
Yeah.
You love it?
Yeah, I love the place.
This is the farm.
This is
Farm
building.
cup.
This is for building so long when I'm a baby.
So what do you say about your room?
Amazing.
Amazing.
Mm,
Thank you, the farm.
thank you, the palm.
I will see you again. Gab.
Yeah.
Gusto na mami and daddy. I will be waiting for you. I waiting for you.
What's that?
Yes. Ay, nagkain sila.
Here we are. Daddy, let's open the first gift.
Hmm?
It's morning now, so let's open this gift.
We have opened the gifts na.
Yay! How about this? Got this. What's this?
Wait, not open.
What the?
What's the gift?
That is a towel. It's a towel.
Don't say like that.
Thank you. Thank you sa aking sister, Nancy Atienza.
Towel again? What's this all towels?
Yeah.
Because
this
they
is
want to
my-
give
this
us
is my-
towel. There's no problem with that.
What would this give?
Towel again. Ano na, buhon na
It's
tayo.
okay.
Ano na, ikarga na ito. Ikabayaran mo dun tayo.
Mm. Ito yung higaan namin kagabi. Ayan. Ayan.
Hindi, di mabuka na, Bin.
Maganda ang CR nila.
This is a...
Ayan ang CR nila. Maganda.
Dito yung isisipan na. Okay? Where's your car?
Okay. Okay, check out na kami. Si Gab-Gab. Mamiss daw ni Gab-Gab ang
The farm.
the farm, ang room.
Thank you.
Oh.
Thank you, Miss J. Sa ano mo sa gift mo sa amin mag-asawa. Thank you po. Thank you sa inyo ni Sir Jimmy.